If you're a baking enthusiast, odds are you have a stand mixer for heavy-duty jobs. But when your recipe calls for lighter tasks, such as beating egg whites or mixing brownie batter, we recommend using a reliable hand mixer. In search of the best hand mixers, these 5 models are the most popular, rating each one's design, performance, and ease of use and storage. I will leave links in the description. You can check them for more information and the latest price. Starting our list with the Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus 9-speed hand mixer, this Cuisinart hand mixer includes all the features you need, plus a few extras that make it our favorite choice. It has 9 speeds, 2 beaters, a whisk, 2 dough hooks, and a plastic spatula. It is 220 watts and weighs 4 pounds. The powerful motor has a one-touch digital speed control that lets you easily select and move through the 9 settings while the mixer is in use. The ultra-convenient clip-on storage case holds the power cord and mixing attachments, even the included plastic spatula. The design of this hand mixer played a big part in receiving our top vote. The inside of the handle is curved, similar to the handle of a knife, which we found made for a comfortable and stable grip while mixing even when one-handed. Rather than a button to release the beaters on top of the handle, there's a trigger latch inside the handle, where you're less likely to hit it accidentally. Additionally, the power cord is thoughtfully designed to swivel to the left or right and locks in place to stay out of the way while you're mixing, conveniently adaptable to left or right-handed users. The Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus tackled everything from whisking together dry ingredients and whipping cream to mixing thick peanut butter cookie and bread doughs. At number 2 is the KitchenAid 9-speed digital hand mixer. The KitchenAid 9-speed digital hand mixer is marketed as a corded, all-purpose, gold standard mixer. We put it to the test to see just how much power it has packed in, and whether it can deal with dense, heavy ingredients with ease. To get into the details, this mixer has 9 speeds, as you might suspect from the name, an additional whisk attachment, and a dough hook, making it a versatile model to add to your kitchen. It can help out with smoothies, shakes, and more if you want to go beyond baking, though it is at a more expensive price point. It's available in 5 colors, each of which is part of the signature image of the KitchenAid brand. These colors are Empire Red, Onyx Black, Contour Silver, Candy Apple Red, and White. In this review, we interrogate everything there is to know about the KitchenAid 9-speed digital hand mixer to see if it lives up to its prestige. This hand mixer has the right speed for the task at hand, from mixing in nuts and chocolate chips at speed 1 to whipping egg whites or kneading yeast dough at speed 9. It's compact and lightweight, and when you're done mixing, everything stores away nice and neat in the included storage bag. It's not surprising that when it comes to the battle of the best hand mixers, there's more than one KitchenAid model vying for attention. At number 3 is the Braun MultiMix hand mixer. The MultiMix 5 hand mixer delivers 50% more power than leading competitors. With its 350-watt motor, you can whisk, knead, and chop even the toughest ingredients for your favorite recipes with excellent results. Braun's Smart Mix technology redistributes the weight of the mixer out of your hand and into the bowl, cutting your effort in half. Designed with a completely sealed system, it prevents anything from getting into the housing for quick and easy cleanup and long-lasting performance. The one-touch Vario Control speed dial lets you fine-tune your mixing with 9 speeds, plus turbo for your toughest ingredients. The unique multi-whisk attachment is both a whisk and a beater in one. Its dual-action design creates greater volume for light, airy mixtures. Homemade bread is no challenge for this mixer with its included sturdy dough hooks. The versatile chopper attachment lets you prep dry ingredients like nuts and chocolate before combining them with the mixture. With signature Braun design and engineering, you'll love the lightweight comfort and control of the soft grip, slip-resistant handle. So let the baking begin. Wattage and mixing effort, mixing cake batter, external tests compared to leading competitors. At number 4, it's the Magnolia Bakery 5-speed electric hand mixer. Hand mixers are ideal for mixing up a batch of cupcakes, which makes this Magnolia Bakery branded hand mixer from Hamilton Beach the perfect companion for home bakers. The vintage seafoam green color is instantly attractive, matching the retro-inspired shape of the mixer itself. 2 classic beaters and a whisk attachment are included, as well as a storage case that snaps onto the bottom of the hand mixer for convenience. There are 5 speed settings controlled by a wheel on top of the mixer, which also turns the machine on and off. We found that it was easy to adjust the speed of the mixer with one hand while using the machine, and noticed that the transition between speeds was gradual and smooth thanks to the slow start technology. There's a burst button in line with the speed wheel on top to help power through chunks in your dough or frosting. We also especially liked about it was how light and easy it was to handle during testing. It feels comfortable enough to grip for several rounds of baking projects while mixing thick cookie dough. At the highest speed, it didn't feel like we would lose control of the mixer, and splatters were minimal. The cord coming out of the back of the machine can be adjusted to swivel left or right and locked in place so it stays out of the way regardless of which hand you're operating it with. At number 5 is the Hamilton Beach Professional 5-speed electric hand mixer. Whether it's lighter than air whipped cream or chewy chocolate chip cookie dough, You can mix ingredients effortlessly with the Hamilton Beach Professional 5-speed hand mixer. Lightweight and powerful, this mixer has a slow start that prevents splatters no matter what you're mixing. Push the quick burst button for an extra punch of power at any of the 5 levels. A lockable swivel cord, snap-on storage case, and trigger release make mixing easy from start to finish. Powerful, effortless mixing from mashed potatoes to whipped cream, this professional-grade hand mixer gives you the power and control to mix and blend with ease. Slow start reduces splatters, prevent clouds of flour and splatters of dough by starting slow and gently increasing speed. The vent design and the matte finish make it easy to wipe the mixer clean. Stainless steel beaters and whisk are dishwasher safe. 5 speeds with quick burst at every level adds a quick burst for a slow, gentle mix or for a fast whip. Swivel cord lock lets you adjust the cord to stay out of your way during mixing, whether you're left or right-handed. Trigger release for attachments with a quick pull of the trigger. Attachments release when you're done mixing. And with that, we come to the end of my review. Hopefully this video is helpful for you.